In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable story points on all issue types in Atlassian Jira. Story points are a critical tool for agile teams, allowing you to estimate the amount of effort required for a task and prioritize work accordingly. By ensuring that they're enabled on all issue types, you can streamline your process and increase productivity. Let's walk through the steps to make this happen. Start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. At the top right corner, there's a gear icon. Click on it to access your Jira settings. This section is the control center for your Jira setup, where you can configure various aspects to suit your project management needs. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the issues option and click on it. This will take you to a new page specifically dedicated to customizing your issue tracking. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here before. Next, under the fields section, you'll find custom fields. Click on it. This area is vital because it's where you can manage the different types of data fields that appear on your issues. Now we're going to locate the story points field within the list. The list might be long depending on how many custom fields your project has, so you might need to scroll or conduct a quick search to find it. Once you've found the story points field, look to the right of it for the ellipsis icon. This icon often contains additional options for the item you're working with. Click on the ellipsis and then select context and default values from the drop-down menu. This will allow us to change where the story points are applicable across your issue types. On the next screen, you'll see the current context in which story points are configured. To extend this to all issue types, select Edit Context. This action will open a section where you can choose which issue types you want this field to apply to. Go ahead and select any issue type in the Choose Applicable Issue Types section. This step is essential because it ensures that story points are applicable to every type of issue you might be working with in Jira, eradicating any past limitations or omissions. Once you've made your selection, look for the button that says Modify to save your changes. Saving your adjustments is crucial to ensure that your modifications take effect immediately. Stories, tasks, bugs, any type of issue will now have the story points field enabled, enhancing your project evaluation process. Every team member assigned to these issues can now estimate the necessary effort with precision. And just like that, you've successfully enabled story points across all issue types in Jira. Remember, by having a consistent framework for estimation, your team's workflow will become more efficient and focused. Keep exploring more features in Jira to optimize your project management skills further. Thanks for tuning in.